WHD Academy, what's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about Copart versus IAA fees. All right. So if you don't know, when you buy a car from Copart or IAA, you do have to pay what we call auction fees. Well, not just in Copart and IAA, you got to pay auction fees in every auction, right? But right now, we're just going to talk about Copart versus IAA. All right. Now, make sure y'all join my monthly membership just for $1 a day, guys. $1 a day, wehustledaily.com, guys. This is where you're going to learn everything you need to know about how to properly inspect cars, how to get your dealer license. I even have the plug, guys, on how to get your license. No matter your credit score, it don't matter what state you in, it don't matter your criminal history, and it's the cheapest to get your license, right? It is in my academy, so for $1 a day, $30 a month, you get access to this information. All right, you get one weekly video lesson. You get a 50% off 25-minute coaching calls with me. You get access to the private Discord, in which I am active in the Discord, right? So you can ask me questions if you got any type of questions or anything like that. So if you want the information on how to get your license, the cheapest, don't matter what state you in, don't matter your history, credit history, or anything like that, the information is in my course. If you cancel the membership, you're not going to be having access to talk to me and all that. So again, this is the easiest way to get your license, man, and it is in my monthly membership academy, wehustledaily.com. So let's go ahead and get into the fees. Link is in the description below. So boom, these are a couple of cars that I have purchased within the last couple of months, and we're gonna go over a couple of what these cars actually done cost me. All right, so this is Copart, right? Actually, I need to bring up Copart on my phone. I don't know why I did not have that up. So let me just answer the question. Who has higher fees? Excuse me, the insurance auto auction. The insurance auto auction fees are crazy, all right? It's ridiculous. So we're going to go ahead and go over some right now. So if we look at the Hyundai, the 2011 Hyundai Sonata, right? So I paid $1,800 for this car, and the price came out to be, y'all can't even see. I got to move it over. There we go. There you go. The price came out to be, so if you pay $1,800, the price will be $2,483. That was the price that I had to pay right there. All right. I bought this truck, right? I won this truck for $4,000. The bid came up to $4,963. All right. And again, in my academy, guys, I'm gonna be going over, because this is just for this video, but I'll go over the prices that I bought these cars for, what made me buy these cars and everything in my monthly membership. All right, so make sure y'all tap in. For this Benz, I won the bid at $3,100. The bid came out to $3,978. All right. And last but not least, I got this BMW. It's an excellent price. I paid $2,400 for this BMW. The price came out to $3,153. All right. Now it's a little different with IAA. All right. So let's bring up IAA. I don't buy as many cars from IAA. I buy more cars from Copart. But let's go ahead and let me show you guys what I paid for one car at IAA, and I'm gonna just show y'all the difference. Where is it? Right here. So for a 2015 Infiniti Q70L, which is the sedan model, right? It's a sedan Infiniti, 2015, like I say. The bid, the bid was $3,350, so $3,350. Man, they charged me a buyer fee of $650. They charged me a service fee of $95. They charged me an internet fee of $99. They charged me an environmental fee of $15, and they also charge you $20 if you do not pay with a check or something like that. It's something, if you don't pay with something, then it's an extra $20. All right. So that came out to be $4,229, right? So if you just do the math on that, if you win it at 33.50, let me do the math on that real quick. Wait, what did I say? 42.29 minus 33.50. Wait, yeah. Yeah, so $878. I did do that math, right? 42.29. Let me make sure. Why don't I got my calculator up here? Let me see. Calculator. Okay. 42.29 minus 33.50 is, yeah, $879. And now that I'm looking at it, that's not really too much different from Copart, right? So let's just say this: if I won, like, let's just use the truck for example. I won that truck at, let me see, 49. I won the truck at 4,000, and it came up to 49.63 minus 4,000. Damn, that's $963. But let me try to get one that's around the same price as the what you call it, 3,100. So I paid 3,100 for this Benz. So let's use the Benz. So 39.78 minus 3,100 for the Benz. 878. Hey, I'm gonna be honest with you. It's the same. It's damn near the same price. So if you're wondering what fees is higher between Copart and IAA, it's pretty much the same price. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It literally is pretty much the same price. So if you're wondering whose fees are higher, I thought IAA's fees were higher, you know what I mean, before I did this video, but they are not higher, bro. You know what I mean? So if you are wondering how much these cars is going, how much these fees are going for, I just told you basically, like, if you spend 3,000, you're going to spend an extra 1,000, really. You know what I'm saying? And this is with your license. If you don't have your license, it's going to be a little bit more. You feel me? But again, I got the plug on how to get your license. It don't matter what state you in. It don't matter anything. You know what I'm saying? In my academy, wehustledaily.com. The link is down in the description below. $30 a month. You get to talk to me anytime. Access to my private Discord, and so those are the fees. You feel me? So I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. Make sure y'all hit that link in the description below, wehustledaily.com. We building a whole community over there. It's your boy Ray, Big Clay Ray. Peace. wehustledaily.com monthly membership for as little as 30 cents to $1 a day. Join my academy if you're interested in learning how to properly inspect cars, learn all my tips and tricks, and learn the easiest and the fastest way to get your auction license, no matter what state you in, and without having an actual car lot. And we also do monthly giveaways. The link is in the description below. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A-Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.